Hello and welcome to Math on the Go. I'm Mike Rector, and today we will be discussing order of operations. Today we are discussing PEMDAS, which is the order of operations. Most kids remember PEMDAS as "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Now, the P stands for parenthesis, the E is for exponents, the M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. Now, something to keep in mind when dealing with order of operations is if you have something such as 2 minus 1 plus 3. Now, when you're looking at this problem, you're looking at PEMDAS, and you see you have subtraction and you have addition. Well, in PEMDAS, addition comes first. Don't let that trick you, because what happens here is addition and subtraction, they have the same level of importance. So when you're down to just addition and subtraction, what you want to do is you want to start from the left and work your way right. So what you would have is 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3, and then your final answer being 4. Okay? And you can test that in a calculator if you wish. Now, the same rule here applies for multiplication and division. They also have the same level of importance. So, say you have 4 divided by 1 times 3. So, again, we're looking at this and we're looking at PEMDAS, and multiplication comes before division. But here we have division, then multiplication. So how do we do this? Well, again, they have the same level of importance. So we want to work left to right to solve this. So 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 3, and then that is 12. So the gist of it is when you're down to just addition and subtraction, you go from left to right. And same with multiplication and division, work left to right. That seems to be what throws off most people when they're faced with a problem such as one of these two that I have written down, or any other math problems that involves order of operations. Just because the M comes before the D in PEMDAS does not always mean that you do multiplication first. You must remember to work left to right when it comes down to that. But also remember that parentheses always happen first, and exponents always happen second. Those two will always be your first and second things to do in a problem. Okay, so what we're going to try is we're going to attempt one with parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction all in one problem. So we have 2 plus 1 squared divided by 3 times 4 plus 1 minus 3. Okay, so looking at the order of operations, we have parenthesis first. So inside the parentheses, we have 2 plus 1, which is 3, divided by 3 times 4 plus 1 minus 3. Now, next we have our exponent, 3 to the power of 2, which is 9, divided by 3 times 4 plus 1 minus 3. Now we look at this and we have division and multiplication, but remember we work left to right when we're at this step. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 4 plus 1 minus 3. Now we're down to just multiplication now, the multiplication and division. So that's 12 plus 1 minus 3. Now 12 plus 1 is 13 minus 3, and that is 10 as your final answer. So I hope that this helped a little bit figure out how to work with order of operations. And please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.